In a box of cornflakes, there are 875 cornflakes. Bob eats 36% of them. How many did he eat? Well, obviously, Bob weighs out, counts out his cornflakes. He's got a bit of OCD, obsessive cornflake disorder, and we need to work this out now. So we've got 36% of 875. So we first of all turn our 36% into a decimal, so 36% equals 36. Rewrite that. Try to write the 6 first there. Divided by 100, which is 36, and you move a decimal point twice, and puts it in there and put a 0 first. So 36% is just 0.36. So we've got 0.36 of means times, and then 875. So let's move that up a little bit. And this time, put it there actually. We're going to need to do 3 lines in one direction, and then only 2 in the other. And we're going to treat that as 36. And I'm going to put a 30 down here and 6 there. And then 875 here. Then we've got 3 times 8, and 3 times 8 is 24. With 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 times 7 is 21, with 2 zeros added. And then 3 times 5 is 15, with an extra 0. And then we've got 8 times 6 is 48, with 2 extra zeros. And a little trick here, if you're not too sure on your, say you get this and you're not too sure on your 6s, but you're fine with your 3s, well, 3 and 6, well, 6 is just double of 3. Well, here, what's 24 doubled? Well, 24 doubled is 48. So that sometimes can be a little help. And if not, you can always write down your 6 times tables, or write down your 3s, or any times table you need. So we've got 6 times 7, and 6 times 7 is 42, with an extra 0. And then we've got 6 times 5 is 30. We then need to add up all our numbers. So we've got 24,000, got 2,100, 150, 4,800, 420, and then 30. Move up the page a little bit. So I just always just add one next to the other. Just go along from left to right. It saves missing any. Don't worry about trying to get them in order or anything like that. So our first one is all full of zeros. So our first column is just 0. We've got 5 plus our 2 is 7, plus our 3 is 10. So 1 and 0. Then we've got 1 plus 1 is 2, plus our 8 is 10, plus our extra 4 is 14, and then there's 1 here which is 15. So 1 and 5. We have 4 plus 2 is 6, plus our extra 4 is 10, plus our extra 1 here is 11. So there's 1 there and 1 there. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So we've got 31,500, and I've forgotten to put the little 2 loops in there, because it's not 36, it's 0.36, so we have to move our decimal point twice, and we do the same here. So we move our decimal point twice, and it just goes in there. So we've actually got 315. So how many cornflakes did he eat? We're at 315 cornflakes. There we go. You can fit it in just about fit it in. So you can have a little look at that. So there's 36%. You turn it into a decimal, and then you just times it. So it's 0.36 times 875. You just treat it as 36 times 875. Work these out, add it up, and then we move our decimal point twice. So move it twice there, move it twice there.